Good morning students, how are you all? I am Pankaj Mishra, your physics teacher, here again with a new video on physics class. Students, as you all know, in my previous video I have already explained you regarding the pulleys. Like pulley, क्या मैंने आपको बताई थी, pulley is a kind of machine which is used to overcome resistive force by applying small effort. So in my previous video I have explained you about the single fixed pulley. So in today's video I will be explaining you about single movable pulley, its working principle, कैसे इसमें हम मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन निकालते हैं, मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज, वेलोसिटी रेशियो एंड फॉर एफिशिएंसी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. सो फ्रॉम द फिगर हियर यू कैन सी इट्स अ सिंगल मूवेबल पुली. यहाँ पे क्या है, दिस इज अ रिजिड सपोर्ट, दैट इज दिस पुली इज बीइंग अटैच्ड विद दिस रिजिड सपोर्ट एंड this is the axle and this is the frame and a load is being attached to it, so that this load is counterbalanced by these two tension force which is acting in the same direction, but it is acting since this part of this extensible string is attached to this rigid support, so tension will be this will be tension here and this will be the tension force due to this effort. So let us consider an pulley in which an inextensible string is being attached, which is passed to the groove ring such that the load is being attached. ठीक है. So in order to calculate mathematical expression for mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency, we have to assume some things like if we neglect friction between the bearing of pulley or axle. Number 2, by using a weightless string. This is an ideal case. So from this we can say that this load will be counterbalanced by these two tension force, that is L will be equal to T plus T, that is L is equal to 2 times of T. This is first equation. So this L will be counterbalanced by these two tension force. Again, this effort which is acting in the upward direction, this effort will be used in order to counterbalance this tension force. So E will be equal to T. So from this we can write L is equal to 2T and E is equal to T. So from this, यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग वैल्यू निकालना चाहें तो हम लोग वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. ये इसके इक्वल है, ठीक है. तो अगर हम यहाँ से लिखें तो दिस T is equal to L by 2. अगर हम यहाँ से देखें तो T is equal to L by 2. So from this we can write E is equal to T की जगह we can write L by 2. Effort is equal to half of the load. ठीक है. अब हमें सबसे पहले, अगर क्योंकि हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं सिंगल मूवेबल पुली की, तो सिंगल मूवेबल पुली इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू कि इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ पुली वेयर एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन is not fixed, that is not in fixed position, it is a movable pulley. Axis of rotation is in moving condition, so the effort will be half of the load. Now if we have to calculate the value of mechanical advantage, then this will be equal to load upon effort, that is equal to L upon L by 2. This L goes with this L and this will be 2. So mechanical advantage will be 2. Now if we talk about the velocity ratio, velocity ratio is equal to d by dl. So suppose we have to lift this, suppose this we have lifted this load by applying effort E in the upward direction to a distance L. So अगर E की वैल्यू, effort हमने जो अप्लाई किया है for distance, अगर हम लोग बात कर लें यहाँ पे D, तो this load will be, since it is half, so this load will be equal to d by 2. So यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग इस पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, this will be equal to d upon d by 2. This d goes with d, this is equal to 2. So from this we can say that velocity ratio will always be equal to 2. As far as efficiency is concerned, efficiency की बात करें तो efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio. So this is equal to mechanical advantage is 2. So 2 by 2 that is equal to 1 or 100%. But this is an ideal case. Since we have already neglected the frictional force acting between the bearing of the pulley and we have assumed this string as an weightless string. So this will be the mathematical values for mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency, which is impossible as some frictional force will definitely act. So this was about single movable pulley. Now if we talk about the combination of pulley, like if we attach a single fixed pulley, like यहाँ पे अगर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे एक सिंगल फिक्स पुली इसके साथ में अटैच कर दें, then what will happen? अगर सिंगल फिक्स पुली अटैच कर देंगे तो we can change the direction of the effort. Like अगर हम यहीं पे बात कर लें, यहाँ पे मैं एक सिंगल फिक्स पुली भी इसके साथ में अटैच कर देता हूं, तो we can change the direction of effort. Since in this case you can see now the effort will act in this direction. This is tension force, this is tension force. So if we attach and single fixed pulley with then single movable pulley, we can change the direction of effort. Since in case of single movable pulley, the direction of effort is in the upward direction, which is inconvenient. So if we have to raise a bucket full of water from the well, then we have to apply effort in the upward direction if we use a single movable pulley. But if we attach a single fixed pulley with that, so we can change the direction of effort so that we have to apply less effort in that case. So this was about combination of pulley, like if we attach single movable pulley with a single fixed pulley. Now we'll talk about the difference between these two pulleys, which is very important as far as your board exam is concerned. So what are the difference? Single fixed pulley, single movable pulley. सबसे पहले तो we can say that axis of rotation is fixed. Axis of rotation is fixed. Axis of rotation is movable. Rotation is movable. This is the first difference. Now, ideal mechanical advantage. Ideal mechanical advantage is 1 and ideal mechanical advantage is 2. Velocity ratio is 1, velocity ratio is 2. Fourth case, weight or load you can say, does not affect the mechanical advantage. Weight reduces the mechanical advantage. ठीक है? And one important point, when we attach a single fixed pulley with a single movable pulley, it changes the direction of effort. It changes the direction of effort, whereas in this case it acts as a force multiplier. ठीक है? So this was about the difference between single fixed pulley and single movable pulley, जिसमें आप लोगों को ये पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, डायरेक्शन चेंज वाला, वेट वाला. बाकी ये तो चीजें मैथमेटिकली इफ यू नो द डेरिवेशन, लाइक जो भी मैंने आपको अभी यहाँ पे बताया था कि एफर्ट को कौन काउंटर बैलेंस करता है, लोड को कौन काउंटर बैलेंस करता है, यू जस्ट हैव टू लर्न द फॉर्मूला एंड यू कैन डायरेक्टली सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे. आज मैं अपने लेक्चर को यहीं पे खत्म करता हूँ. Just go through my video, try to learn the important keywords that I have discussed in this lecture. Try to understand them. If still you are having any doubt, you can comment your suggestions, and whatever you are not understanding, just give it to me in written so that I can solve your queries. ठीक है? और आप जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं इनको भी सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, और जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है विल डिस्कस इन द लाइव क्लास। थैंक यू फॉर टुडे।